Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I have another tote unboxing. So I got this, I placed an order last week and I just recently got this. So this is a tote bag that I purchased online from Farfetch, and this is my first time. I ordered from the website and I love it. The transaction went well. And I was totally impressed with how fast the shipping is. I mean, I was just, I don't know, it was just so fast, it was so quick, and it was so easy to navigate the website. And also, yeah, it arrives like this. It came in with this box, and this is how it looks. So I have already opened this. And this is how it looks inside. This is their packaging. The packaging is not that, maybe this one is all, I mean, I guess all of the packaging nowadays, they're all made up of recycled materials. But this one is very thin. Knowing that this one is actually shipped all the way from France. And yeah, and also look at inside. There's not enough protection for the package, but regardless, it got here so fast, so quick, and so far it looks like there's no damage in it. So I got this note right here. Thank you for shopping, Marc Jacobs. I think this is I don't know how they actually work. Maybe you place an order from Farfetch and then they would send your order through Marc Jacobs, and then Marc Jacobs will send it to you. So I really don't know how it works, but regardless, so this is the note that I got. That is so nice. And also these are the paperworks and the receipt as well regarding the items. So yes, this one was shipped all the way from France by Marc Jacobs. Wow, that is surprising. So anyway, so this is the tote, and it came in with the original manufacturing packaging. So that is nice right there. As you guys can see, the information of the item. So let me just take this, put this box away so that we will be able to see up close on this beautiful tote. Let me just open the packaging. Here comes. Okay, wow. Oh my gosh. The color. The color is amazingly beautiful. I don't know if my camera is actually picking up really well, but this one is such a beautiful, stunning red color. Wow. So this is the leather mini tote bag, so you guys could see. So yeah, let me just take a moment to take a look at it. The side. Wow. Okay. So it says right here, this is the mini tote. True red, and retails for 415 euros. So they actually priced this one in euros, but this one is priced as 375 US dollars. That's before tax. And I got this one at Farfetch. I use Rakuten in this. Plus I also placed other order as well, which was shipped separately, and I got 10% off, which is a great deal. So anyway, but yeah, you still have to pay tax, of course. So anyway, wow, look at the green right there. It's beautiful. Wow, this one is amazing. I mean, I don't know. I got my very first mini tote from Marc Jacobs like a week ago, and I love it. I started using it, and that one is made up of canvas. I got the regular mini black canvas, and I also got the patchwork in denim, which is more like a combination of gray and black, and that one is amazing. It's gorgeous. But I don't understand why they call this one as a mini, because right on my head, on the top of my head, when you say mini, this is what's on my it's on my head. This is a mini bag. This is a small bag. It's mini bag. So this is from Tory Burch, and see, that is the size difference for that. That's what I was thinking of, mini, but for some reason this could be really a full size, maybe a medium size tote bag. So anyway, wow. So this one is made up of grained leather. On this side, the pebbling for this one, the pebbled seems to appear larger to me. This one is true red. And then the patch right here at the back, it says Marc Jacobs as usual. It's 1984. I love the fact that the patch right here, it's in leather as well, which is lovely. Wow. On the side, let me take a look at the side. And now let's take a look at the handle. So this one has two handles, which is in leather as well. So this one is actually made up of grained leather, the entire part of this purse outside. Very nice. Wow, the red color is amazing. I've actually I saw this a few months ago at Saks, and I was contemplating whether I wanted to add it in my collection. But when I saw this, it's the perfect red. It's the perfect red that I've been looking for, but I don't know. I have something else on my mind that time. I didn't purchase it. I just realized later that that I wanted to add Marc Jacobs in my collection. I started with my collection, and I think they're beautiful, and the price is highly affordable. And knowing the fact that this is $375, I was thinking that this should be price a little bit more because of the leather itself. So this one has the glazing right here, which is also in red, I think, and on this side, and then also the logos right here, the oversized logos, the tote bag by Marc Jacobs. This one seems to look like it is embossed right there. Very nice. I really like that the logos right there seems to, it's a little bit muted though. It's a little bit muted, and I really like that. It's not like the text for this, it's not too bold, it's not too flashy or anything. It's a little bit like muted though. I really like that. And yeah, very lovely. So let's take a look at inside. Okay, this is how it looks inside. It has a zipper closure, gold hardware. This one has this leather tab right here, leather pull tab, and it has a dust bag. Wow, very lovely. Wow, it is a nice dust bag though. Look at that, very nice. So I believe with the two items that I purchased last time, which is made up of denim and canvas, that one didn't come in with the dust bag. So this is my first Marc Jacobs in leather that has a dust bag, which is really nice quality though. Wow, so beautiful. So moving on, the inside is actually, it looks like this. So it still has this stuffing. Okay, so I was able to remove all the stuffing inside. Let's go back and take a look what's in here. So okay, so on the inside, this one is actually lined with leather as well, but it's in different color. It's more likely in a pink color, as you guys could see right there. So let me just open it like here. So this is the leather lining on the inside. It's more likely in a shiny color right there. This one has a pocket right here at the wall. So it has a wall pocket right here in this corner. And I believe this one could be, yeah, you could just take this one out like that. And yeah, the inside, this is lined with leather. Wow, very nice. That's when you know that it makes your money worth. When you purchase an item or a purse and it's all lined with a leather inside and out, yeah, that's when you know that it makes your money worth. With the exception of this piece, because this part right here, this wall pocket right here, this one is actually made up of this jacquard material. This one, the patch is in leather as well, where you could actually, maybe you could put some credit cards in here. Wow, very, very nice. Okay, yeah, on the inside, this is just like that. So this is the only part that is lined with this particular type of jacquard material. Wow. Oh my goodness. The color, the leather is so rich, so soft and supple in this piece, guys. Oh my goodness. Even though that this one is actually soft right here on the leather part, this one on the side has a structure. So this bag is a little bit, it's actually structured though, because this one right here at the corner is actually, yeah, it's very thick. So yeah, you could put your purse like that. So this one is very structured. It's a really structured bag. So anyway, this one came in with the strap. So just so you know, guys, that this one has a very minimal hardware. So the only hardware that you could see is right here onto this strap, and also the D-ring right here at the corner. So yeah, which is quite nice though. And look at that, the gold hardware is really shiny gold. Absolutely amazing. And you could just hook this on the other side, which give you an option to use it as a crossbody bag. And on top of that, this one is also made up of grained leather as well. So it has a setting right here. You could adjust it according to the length. Wow, look at that. Absolutely worth every penny on this piece. I haven't used it. I just saw it. I just received it. But right away, my first impression is that absolutely worth every penny. With its craftsmanship, with the leather, the price. I mean, what else can you ask for a tote? Even though they said it is a mini tote, but it is a medium-sized tote. It could definitely fit a lot of things inside. Wow, look at that. I just can't get over of how beautiful the interior is. Definitely. And also, yeah, it says there full grain leather. And also this one, I'm not sure if this one is still available at the moment. I'm not sure if Marc Jacobs' website will replenish this. I think this one is sold out all over the entire the internet, I think. And I don't know where else you could actually get this. I know I got one from Farfetch. I was lucky that when I checked the website, it was still available. And this one also came in with a lot of different colors. So this is the true red, which is absolutely stunning. They have it in black. They have it in twine, which is more likely a cream color. And also they have it in argan oil color. I mean, I don't know. I was a little bit like surprised that they call it argan oil. I mean, is there such a color as argan oil? It is more likely a brown color, like a saddle color, I guess. But they labeled it as an argan oil. But anyway, this is a very popular color. And wow, the red is perfect. This is the exact red color that I've been looking at for such a long time. Red and green are my two favorite colors, and I am totally impressed with this particular color, guys. It's not, I mean, it's just perfect though. The color, the red color is so perfect that I will highly recommend it. Before, okay, this one didn't have a feet actually, but it doesn't really matter though. I mean, with the price, with what I paid for 375 US dollars, it's definitely worth it. Regardless if it has a feet or not, it's worth it. It's wow. And the stitching for this is actually, this one has a tonal stitching, which is the same color as the bag, and the stitching is large. It's amazing. Wow. Oh my goodness. This one is, I will highly recommend this. For $375, I mean, wow. This is amazing, guys. The craftsmanship for this piece is absolutely amazing. You can literally see of how beautiful this purse is, of how well crafted this is. Wow. Absolutely amazing. So yeah. So anyway, this is my mini tote from Marc Jacobs, and I will probably gonna do a comparison for this on my canvas collection, see how much, just a little bit of a comparison, but I know the canvas is also affordable as well. But if I were to choose between the canvas and the leather, I'll take the leather. No, it's like a no-brainer question. I will definitely gonna choose this $375 full grain leather inside and out. Absolutely. I will highly recommend it. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.